Heavy rain this week had some in Steuben County on alert after suffering devastating flooding last fall brought by the remnants of Tropical Storm Debby. Officials say they're working through a years-long process to restore the region and prevent future damage. 13 WHAM's Daniel Finkelstein has been following the story for months and brings us new details now from the state. Daniel.
Well, that's right, Karen. DEC leaders say they've been working with Steuben County to coordinate repair work. And just how long that will take and how much it will cost is unclear. Take a look at this video taken earlier this week. Tom Maring capturing flash floods rushing down Orchard Street in Canisteo.
You couldn't see much. The water was so high. It was about a foot from the top of the wall here.
Days later, you can still see some of the flood damage.
This White House in the corner down here, the water was up to the top of his basement window, so his basement was full of water. He's been out there the past 2 days power washing, cleaning his mess up.
The flash floods triggering flashbacks. Last summer, the aftermath of Tropical Storm Debby destroying homes and fields. These images provided by Steuben County show a local park flooded this week, a county road closed for repair. This as folks are still rebuilding.
Now, I'm glad that we bought a house uphill a little bit so it didn't hit us. It was ended up the water jumping over the entrance of the culvert right here and flooded everybody down here for 2 blocks.
Some were not as lucky. Canisteo is surrounded in part by streams and rivers, and Derek Boscia lives near one of them. This was his house back in August. When flash floods hit earlier this week, he says he was flooded with messages asking if he was okay. His family has lived in the area for generations.
There's almost a dozen houses that are just now, they're not coming back. You know, they're demolishing their house, and that's it. They're done. And I'm going to be one of them.
He worries mitigating future damage is a race against time.
There's just more flooding taking place more frequently.
The Department of Environmental Conservation says it meets regularly with county officials to coordinate those efforts.
We certainly have had issues with a lot of downed trees. We've had a lot of issues with our culverts and trying to make sure that those are sized appropriately.
It's unclear just how much it will cost or how long it will take.
All of those costs are tracked, and we look to try to make sure that we are understanding the whole issue and the impact.
Now, Karen, in September, Steuben County was granted FEMA assistance for repair of infrastructure. Officials then estimated the cost of repairing roads and bridges would be around $50 million. Back to you.